Craig, so I know we spoke before the game about deciding to just try something a bit different this evening, but the decision not to go with an out-and-out striker this evening, what was the thinking behind that?
Yeah, it was. We played Gordon last week and we didn't have a shot on target, and that wasn't the striker's fault. That was just the shape that we ended up ourselves in. We end up dropping back and having no one target to hit against 2-3 players. So we decided to go with that. It was really successful for Fiorentina, and I think it proved tonight that we had more than enough opportunities to get a goal, great areas, and made the keeper work, and had some really good moments, and it was a fantastic performance by the boys. I thought it was really, when you look at the size of the two clubs, and it was a fantastic performance. I think as good as a performance would give in this competition. Take away obviously a star now, we got a win, which obviously it's fantastic, it's brilliant, but I think overall performance, and then you look at pound for pound, a club the size of Panathinaikos, and I had a little chuckle at the end because they're bringing on the centre midfielder who got in World Cup team of the tournament in 2020. They bring him on for the last 10 minutes. That probably shows where the distance of the two clubs are.
I know you've spoken previously as well about the importance of goal differences. Yeah. Has that been the main goal, if you like, to keep the scoreline as low as possible? I
think in the big games, yes, of course. No one wants to go and get hammered. You look at, I think Fiorentina beat someone 7 today, Lask, I think. So that was the situation we don't want to put ourselves in. And obviously just it's common sense, isn't it? If you know anything about football, that the longer you're 0-0 or the longer you one goal in it, you've got an opportunity to score. So and I'm sure our players wouldn't mind me saying this because we spoke about it. You look at that there, they had 10 internationals starting tonight and they bring 3 off the bench. So we open up and we go toe for toe. And that could end up being on the end of a really big scoreline because they've got some very, very good players in our team shape and our team togetherness and the work ethic of the players. Kept them at arm's length. Yes, Connor's made 3 or 4 good saves, but we expect that every game in this competition. We expect him to be the busiest man on the pitch, because of where we are and where the other clubs are. So now, without a shadow of a doubt, it was I think probably as good a performance as we've given this competition.
It's not over yet. Celje up next.
Yeah.
If you were to make it into that 24, top 24, how much of an achievement would that be?
I think it's unbelievable. I think it's unthinkable really when you think about the situation. And the draw that we got as well. That's the thing. You've got to look at it then. Panathinaikos, Fiorentina. Obviously, Shamrock was a really tough one, and it proves it, didn't it? They're flying. They won again tonight. So yeah, it's we've had a really tough draw. And the so-called lesser teams. Celje are a very good team as well. So it's been brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. The lads have been fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of the togetherness and the group and the staff, and everyone's worked so hard, and yes, you can arguably say, look, we've won 1 game out of 5, but every game's been close. We've been in every game right till the last whistle, and it was probably I'd say a soft penalty tonight. I made my feelings clear on the side with the referee and the officials, which look, you bubble over a little bit, and I still look back and I've watched it 4 or 5 times, and it probably is a penalty, but it's a very, very soft one.